Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 30, our learning English challenge. Speaking in front of the camera, next to 90 day consistently. Today is day 30. We reach 1 month, complete month. We doing English practicing 29 days, and today is day 30. So today is video is different than other video because this video is about we're gonna check or we uh, watch or read comment what we learn in that 30 minutes. We speaking in front of the camera every single day, what we improve or what we didn't. So we other video in last 30 days, last 29 days I'm doing was learning new words, new sentences, and speaking the language like uh, making practice every single day. So today I will tell you four points I improve a lot. And before, when I started 30 days ago, when I started speaking in front of the camera every single day, was not good as right now. So let's get started. So the first main thing I improve a lot is my speaking English. My speaking English. Before, when I started first learning, speaking English, when I come here, like sit in front of the camera and try to speak, I really finding out the words I using. Like sometimes I want to say something and I slip my mind. I was like, mm, and then I catch it like, or I don't know. I move another one. I was like, skip it that one because I don't know that word like that. So, but right now when I sit in front of the camera, I just speak the language, and I feel like I can speak whatever time or even if 1 hour. With video I make it's just 10 minutes between 6 minutes, but right now I feel if I try to speak English just by myself in front of the camera, I can keep speaking complete 1 hour. So, and that's a significant win, really. Speaking, that's what I done so many years when I speak the language. So first, I improve my speaking English. That is my first purpose to come to speak and practice every single day was to improve my speaking. Right now, if I can feel like I can speak as much as can without struggling. I feel like still I'm learning this language. I'm not fluently. I slip my mind some words. Like I forget some words. I try to use some sentences and I say different way. My grammar is not so good sometimes, but I will tell that point as well. But I feel like I can speak this language not anymore. We can. I'm not. I'm gonna shy or feel unconfident. So the second question is my confident while I speak in English. The second one is my confident while I speak in English. So first, I put the first video I started with 30 days ago. The first video I made was I will speak English for the camera next to 90 day, and the second one was day one. So you can I put right there that video when by the end of this video, so you can watch and you can compare this one and those video. So first, I improve my confidence while I speak in English, because when I first day or day 5 or day 6, when I sit in front of the camera and try to speak English, I was not explaining like what I'm doing right now. I be like sometimes feel awkwardness when I speak the language. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes even if I know the words or sentences, I can say a certain way, like different way, incorrect or like that. I was just making like bit shy. Not shy. I'm not shying, but I feel like something I can't speak properly. So, but right now I feel like I'm better than before, and that's just 30 days or 29 days. Today's 30. So let's move on another one. The second one is I improve a lot is my English grammar. For me, I believe since I started learning English 6 months ago, I never learned grammar. I never tried to speak or learn grammar. So my grammar is always not so good, but I really wasn't care about my grammar because I believe like grammar and speaking English is different way. So my grammar was so bad really 30 days ago. Like when I speaking, I use my sentences or when I'm using the English I using maybe 40% was incorrect. Like I using incorrect grammar, but I didn't care. I just keep going keep speaking and keep learning. So right now I feel I my grammar is kind of improving a lot than before when I try to make sentences or when I speak in English or like when I'm talking about everything. So sometimes before I may talk about men or like that. I say, oh, he was like that, or he was so exhausted. Instead, I say she was so exhausted. I'm doing that like girl. I put there girl like she using she or like for example they are instead of doing that like they are doing something. I say oh they is doing something is so this and they is different. So my grammar is when it's improved a lot. I feel like when I'm talking about they I put there or when verb like are. If I talk about she I go but she is. If I want to talk about he I say he is. But before sometimes I say like he are doing something and that's incorrect grammar. So that is improved my grammar. I feel is improving a lot and the way I speaking, the grammar I using. Right now, I'm not saying that my grammar is all completely correct, but are better than before, and that is what we're fighting for. So let's move to the first one. The first one is my consistency showing up every day. My consistency or showing up every day. Since I started learning English 6 months ago, I wasn't show up every single day. But I try. I try to show up every single day as much as I can. Speak this language, practice. But last 30 days, I put extra effort to show up every single day and practice this language to speak fluently. And the challenge, why, guys, I was will if you learn a language, challenge yourself. Yourself love challenging. For me, before I have no challenging, I wasn't challenging myself. But right now, I feel like when I say next 90 day, day by day I'm doing better. Day by day I'm making like the way I'm preparing something using the language or speaking it's better than before. So showing up every day, that is what also I win as well. Like consistency. The first it's 5 days or 10 days, I feel I cannot do it. Like struggling. Like if I supposed to record video, maybe 8 a.m. I a bit delay and I record that video 9. So that was not inconsistent. But right now it's just showing up. I try to sometimes record video. I feel so motivated. Feel make a video while speaking English before the time. So that is something I win as well. So thank you very much, guys. That is what I improved while I speaking English. 30 days consistency. We'll keep doing next 90 days. Please watch the other video if you want to check what I improved or what I didn't improve. The first video the first and day one and day two video. Thank you very much. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us. And don't forget to tell us at the comment your English level. My English level is B1 to B2. B2 right now. I can say B2. And yeah, of course, I learn English 6 months and almost hit a week, which we're going to reach 7. So thank you very much. Have a good one.